Now.
4.
Then.
5.
And.
6. 7. 8. 9. 6.
Oops. No, this one.
6.
What is this?
10 and a 1.
10. Okay, now this
1
is
12.
no.
20.
No.
What is it? 11.
11. Okay, next
2 and a 1.
is
12.
yes. Okay,
3 and 1.
is
13.
yes.
4 and a 1.
Is
13. 14.
14. You just have to say teen next to it. Okay,
5 and a 1.
is
13.
no.
15.
15. Yeah.
What are we making?
What is this?
6 and a 1.
Is
7.
no.
9.
No. 6 and a 1. When there's a 1, you say teen.
Teen.
So there's a 6 and a 1 is
Teen.
16.
16.
Okay. And now
7 and 1.
is
16. 17.
17. Yeah. Okay. And an 8 and a 1 is
20.
no.
20.
1 teen and
8.
so 18.
18. 18. 9 and 1.
Is
19.
19. Okay, now this one. Big one, big one.
10 and a 2.
2 and a 0 is 20.
20.
20. Okay. So then you have 2 means 20. And
1.
so it is 21.
21.
And now it's,
2 twos.
yeah, so 22.
22.
Yes, 22. Now we have one more. 2 means,
3.
2 means,
Huh?
when there's a 2 in front, what does it mean?
3.
20
20.
and,
A 3.
yeah, so
3.
23.
23. 23.
Yes!
23.
Ha! We built a house.
How do we do a house?
By counting all the numbers.
Huh?
Nice job, buddy.
What is this,
Hey.
Mommy? Mommy, what is
A
this?
chimney.